Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have appeared on camera looking like a member of the living dead. I enjoy keeping it real with you guys. This is how I wake up. So we are joined with a couple of friends today. They're obviously here to give me some moral support. So today I'm going to be doing something different, like super different for me. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone. I'm letting you guys a little further into my life, and my boyfriend is going to be narrating my makeup routine. I've seen hundreds of these videos and I think they're absolutely hilarious, so I thought I would join the trend. So because the UK is in lockdown still at the moment, I sent my boyfriend this video file. He spoke and did the narration part and then gave it back to me. I edited it together to get the masterpiece that is this video. So if you're new here, don't forget to check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and subscribe if you are interested in seeing more. But obviously don't feel forced, but do it. So without further ado, if you want to see how this pans out, then keep watching. Let's go.
Alright, so here we've got some products to get rid of the little friends on our face. Only friends at the moment because of lockdown. Right, so she's got these bit of dabby, I'm not really sure what that is, but it's gone on. Oh no, that's not her face. She missed the face. It's gone on her hand. She doesn't look very happy about that. Oh no, it's finally going on the face. Right, she's applied it to her face. Got rid of those things on her chin. Not really sure what's going on. It's just dabbing it on, really. Dabbing it, a bit more dabbing. Looks a bit bored. Why am I doing this? What's she doing? Oh, the egg's out. We love an egg. Egg's doing the side, and I'm not really sure what's going. Oh, and something. I think it looks like a perfume. You're not spraying that on her face, is she? Oh no, that's going onto the eyes. Oh, it's the triangles. The Illuminati triangles are coming out. I've seen those before. They're quite shiny. Yep, they're going onto the eyes and on the eyes and over the forehead. Beautiful. Love that. Keep going. There's dabbing. Lots of dabbing. So much dab. Ooh, bit of an eye roll there. Not sure what that's for. And then a big fan brush, and I'm sure I've seen one of those before. Not sure what they do, but more fanning going on the eyes, over the nose. Yep. Well, speeding through that. More on the face. Oh, she's pulling a funny face for this one. Her mouth's gone into a different postcode, and her nose is going. Oh, that's all going on her forehead. More on her forehead, and that's going really fast, speeding through, and under her chin. More under the chin. Oh, and she did that jazz hands. A little bit more. Oh, whacking it on. Whack that on the cheeks. That we love that. Oh, her face has got a different colour. That's always useful. Not looking so much like foundation anymore. Nice and red faced. Oh, something with a star. And the mini fans come out. We love the mini fan. Under the eyes. More under the eyes fanning. We love that. More funny faces. And on the end of the nose, just for good luck, I assume. And on the nib. Under the nose. Oh, and now she's spraying herself with something which I'm not sure what it is. And more things. Oh, she's doing the swirls. And yeah, that's going on the eyebrows. And as we can see, more things going on the eyebrows. She's drawn on the eyebrows. I assume she wasn't happy with the ones she was given, she was born with, so she's gone for some new ones actually. She's made those and she's adopted some new eyebrows. She's put those in. Lovely. Lovely. We love that. Oh, and they've gone even browner. Brown as her hair. Now, what's going on now? Oh, I can see something going on the eyelid. I've seen that before as well, but not sure what it's for. Looks nice at least. Oh, and Sop has got some colouring pencils out. Now we've got some colouring pencils on the eyelids. That's lovely. Love that. Beautiful. God, so much effort. Don't think there's anything more going on now really. Just more different colours. More colouring pencils. Yeah, more stuff. More different colours. Just mixing them up. Basically like a GCSE geography class going on right now. All this painting going on. And I'm not sure what that is. Oh, more things for the eyelids. We love that. We love all that eyelid stuff going on, because she wasn't happy with the eyelids she was born with either. No good. Love it. Get those pencils on. Now she's gone close with the camera for some reason. Oh, and she's got the... Oh no, those are on the toenail scissors. Those are something for the eyes. Oh, she's cropped her eyes. Oh, she's cut them off? No, she hasn't cut them off. They look nice and sparkly now. And now she's doing some more drawing. Get that art class going. And I can see some wings going on. That's beautiful. And now I'm not sure what she's doing. Playing with her fingernails, I think. Oh no, something's going on. Oh, it's the sticky eyelashes. We love them. We love some caterpillars going on her eyes. Amazing. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's more stuff. Thought we were done. No, there's more things going on. Oh, it's the mascara stuff. I think it's mascara. Nearly finished? No, we're not nearly finished. Oh, lipstick. I know that one. I thought that was most of the procedure anyways, but it wasn't. And that looks lovely. All finished. Beautiful. Amazing. Wonderful.
A huge thanks to my boyfriend. It's been very entertaining. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me to see more from me, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload in the future. Stay safe, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Subscribe to Laura Jane, subscribe to Laura Jane, subscribe.